Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the one of the best useful wallpaper application for the POCO X2 smartphone. So as you can see friends, currently I'm using the POCO X2 and which has a dual front-facing cameras, punch holes as you can see. So when you add this kind of punch holes or notch smartphones, so there is a different set of wallpapers for each and every notch and punch hole areas. So right now in the POCO X2 you do have the two cameras here, and there are certain wallpaper applications which are actually designed for this kind of smartphones. So similarly there are wallpapers available for the POCO M2 Pro for the middle punch hole, and even for the notch smartphones as well, as you can see. So which looks fantastic, and each and every video for each and every smartphone like notch punch holes I did separate videos. Always try to check the playlist for each and every wallpaper. So I will be seeing so many comments asking about what wallpaper I'll be using in most of my reviews. So definitely for that I have created special playlist only for the wallpapers. So definitely friends, you need to check these wallpapers for Realme 6, POCO X2, Realme X2, so many other smartphones. So there are dedicated wallpapers available. So let's get back into this, what wallpaper exactly I'm using, why I selected this particular wallpaper only. So there are you can find similar wallpaper applications. There will be so many in the Play Store, but particularly why I selected this wallpaper, I'll be giving you a few reasons why I did so. The wallpaper name is called iQOO, as you can see here. So this is a wallpaper which is available in the Play Store. You can see which has got pretty good downloads, 5 lakhs plus downloads, but the rating was 4-star. So that's not much about the, there's nothing wrong with the application basically. So let me try to open this application. As you can see friends, this is a interface how it looks, so which is completely neat and simple. So so there is no confusion at all. Everything, all the wallpapers, you can just scroll down one by one. So one advantage with this application is that, so for example, let me try to select this minion here. So you do get different customization option, so where you can increase the colors, decrease the brightness, so you can vary a lot of saturation, and you can increase the, as you can see. So there's a huge change you can actually do for every wallpaper. So with the other wallpaper application, you don't get this kind of customization option. These are one of the main reasons why I selected this particular wallpaper only. So next is that, not only that, you can also download in the gallery. As you can see friends, which is a very good interesting feature. You can actually download all these wallpapers into the gallery. So every time you no need to open the wallpaper application, you can directly set the wallpapers from the gallery only. So in this way you can actually save them to the gallery. So once you got selected the particular wallpaper, so let me try to select exact wallpaper which is suitable for this kind of punch hole mobile phones. So let me try to select this small kid here, as you can see, which is exactly perfectly suitable for the POCO X2, as you can see friends. So which looks fantastic in terms of using this kind of wallpapers. So if you did not try this wallpaper, must try this wallpaper iQOO. So definitely check this out. And as I said, you can increase or decrease the colors, you can increase the saturation level as well. You can make how you want, as you can see. So which color you want, light or dark, so which is pretty cool and which is pretty good. So that's it. So once you select the color saturation, and you can set as a default wallpaper. So look at this friends, how good it looks when you are using this kind of wallpaper in the POCO X2. So I will highly recommend you to download this kind of wallpapers when you are using this kind of punch hole mobile phones or notch smartphones. If your friends or any other relatives or parents or cousins, if they have this kind of smartphones, always try to check the playlist for the wallpapers. Do check in the comments below. So there you can find plenty of wallpaper reviews which I have did in so many other videos. Even this kind of good looking live wallpaper what I'm using currently here, so which looks pretty attractive and which is also very good nowadays. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru for more latest information on the POCO X2 regarding the MIUI 12 update. Keep on following me. I'll be posting every day regular details on the POCO X2. So you can check so many videos I did already upload on the POCO X2 as well. So you can check those links in description. So thank you for watching this video. So that's it for this video friends. Definitely let me know in the comments below, so which application you are using in the POCO X2. So even I can try that application in my phone as well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.